and you're about to watch a behind-the-scenes video of a styled bridal session. The GoPro footage is a little shaky, so I apologize in advance, but you're gonna see the point of view from my perspective, photographing the model, as well as my friend Angelica wearing it to show me interacting with the model. You're gonna see us on the coast of California on the Ho Chi Minh Trail, and we start off in the hills near the ocean, and then a big flower field, and then we end on a cliff. So you're gonna see the resulting photos and all the metadata, so let's get started. So I like everything. So we're gonna do, I definitely want some like model-y things. But my whole thing is like really excitement and movement and fun. So we'll do both. Yeah. You're gonna hang that bouquet in your right hand and you're gonna hang it right down. So the flowers are, yep. Do you watch The Bachelor? No. Beautiful. Can I have you like kind of throw your head back and giggle for me? Put that bouquet like high, like you're excited, like in the air, yeah. Woo! Yeah. Okay. And then, oh, what you just did was cute. Hold it like that and look over. Pretty. All right, and I'm gonna come more close to get more of like a headshot. Can you turn it so the ribbons are facing you a little more? There we go. Okay. And you hold them nice a little bit lower. There you go. So pretty. My God. And then I want one big smile. Yeah. Actually, can I have you here? I'll have you kind of move with it. So you can bunch it up in your left hand.
Mm-hmm. Just the top layer?
Yeah. There you go. So maybe I like where you're going first. Yeah. So I'm just gonna have you kind of like twirl it around a little bit. Yeah, get some light in there. Oh yeah, and then I like how you're like kind of look in the direction. Oh yeah, just do your thing. And then maybe let's have you do one where you're gonna like let it go. But so I want to take the photo where you're not like obviously like doing it. So like right after you do it, maybe like put your hand in your hair or something. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Beautiful. Beautiful! I'm obsessed with you. Okay, I'm gonna do that one more time, just in a different location. Okay, ready? And go. Perfect. Awesome! Okay. Let me just take one like that, like a traditional portrait, because I don't think we got that. Smiling right at me, yeah. Pretty. Will you engage with it? There you go. That's cute. Stay like that. Pretty. And then can I have you do one where your hand's kind of like on your face or something? Yeah, that looks good. Can I have you do that, but maybe like over your shoulder instead? Yes, I love that. And then let's have one like, yeah. Pretty. So now Angelica is wearing the GoPro, and you can see me and the model hiking down the trail. Most of the footage was unusable since she forgot she was wearing it for the majority of the time, but you'll see us interacting for a little bit, and then you'll just see the photos for the remainder of the day.
I mean, it might be a little slippery, but once you're past that part, it's fine, but I don't know, we didn't want to freak you out.
We were like, how daring is she? Give it a try. Okay, so we're going to be on that like jut out right there. Yeah. Little guy here? Mm-hmm. I like the greenery around the other one. Yeah, let's keep it on for now. Yeah.
Hi. That adds to the scene. What are you talking about?
I wanted to like decide while you're walking back.
Are your flip-flops in the car?
Oh, you can definitely put your shoes on because we won't see your feet. So the photos you see here where Katherine is standing is the exact same point on the trail that the video was just showing, except it's behind us. So now we're facing the opposite way. From here, you can follow the trail down and then up a pretty steep trail, and you have to walk along a plank and kind of hold on to a rope to get up. But we just headed back to the beginning of the trail and drove a little farther down the street to another parking lot, which allowed us to go to the peak of the Ho Chi Minh Trail. And as we got there, we passed by a lot of flower fields, which is where you just saw her in the flowers. And then we got to this point, which is so beautiful and epic. And there's a couple different points. I want to say there's 3 or 4 that you can stand on to get the photos. It is a little risky, so you want to make sure that everyone who is there is comfortable with heights. Also keep in mind that this is a public place and you don't want to monopolize the area. If there are other tourists there, you should be respectful and let everybody have their turn on the viewpoint.
I was thinking she had to walk like up and around. That's even more perfect.
Hey. Hello.
Oh God, I just realized my